Hello everyone. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of GD app. You click on settings. In this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about the application of GD and you will click. Here you will click on first stop and you will click OK. After that you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Then you will turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.